In the question, a quadrilateral is constructed by joining the midpoints of a rectangle, and then a rectangle is constructed by joining the midpoints of a quadrilateral thus formed. Then another quadrilateral is constructed by joining the midpoints of the second rectangle, and this process is repeated infinite number of times. Over here we understand that when we join the midpoints of a rectangle, the drawn figure turns out to be a rhombus. So the area of the rhombus that we draw from by joining the midpoints is half of the area of rectangle. So if we say the area of the rectangle initially was x, then as the area of initial rectangle, then area 1 by 2 of x will be the area of rhombus that has been constructed by joining the midpoints. So on, if this process goes on, so every time we get the area of rectangle, it will be the half of the rhombus, and then the constructed rhombus inside that rectangle will be half of again that rectangle, the outer rectangle. So this process go on. So if I say area of rectangles inside the rectangle will form x plus x by 4 plus x by 16 and so on. This turns out to be an infinite series of a GP, and for area of rhombus that will be forming, that will be x by 2 plus x by 8 plus x by 32 and so on, that is moving till infinity. Now if I take, this is a GP series where in the first case the ratio is 1 by 4, our ratio is 1 by 4 and the first term is x. So x upon 1 minus 1 by 4 will give you the value as 4 by 3x. And if I look at the second part, x by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 will give me the value 4 by 6x. So if I compare the ratio of these two, it turns out to be 2:1. So option 1 is my answer for this question.